In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play online races, aka Horizon Play, here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and hit pause. So go ahead and just pause your game real quickly. Once you do that, tab over to the online tab, just like so, and you're going to see Horizon Play up at the very top. Go ahead and select that. It's going to pop up with a bunch of different stuff right here. From here, you can choose any of these online modes like Horizon Racing, Spec Racing, there's so much on here. Just choose whatever mode you want, follow the prompts, join the race with others, and of course, you could also create a custom race if you want as well. That's going to be the full process. That is how you can play online races with random players here in Forza Horizon 6. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below once again, and we can help you out further. We're going to be doing our best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.